And as Bill said, guys, the numbers will change, right? You're showing us projections, and I know you know that they will change. So I want to ask you, well, why do you find this exercise valuable, even though you know that the numbers will change? Why not just skip it and wait for when you have more reliable data?
In the same case as the LTV before, kind of the most important thing of the exercise was not what the numbers are exactly or specifically, but seeing what the drivers are, seeing where the knobs are we can turn, and how that affects the COCA, and ultimately seeing which way we need to turn those knobs to drive it down. Whether whether some of the splits on COCA are 50% and 40% doesn't really matter. It's really seeing how we can tune these knobs to drive it down.
That's really great. Well, we've covered quite a bit. Thank you, guys. We've covered the what, the why, and thanks to your help, the how of two very important steps in the process, LTV and COCA. And now we are ready to share our final observations with our students. And because you guys are, so to speak, going away, this is our last episode with you. Thank you so much again. I want to start with you, Bill.
No, I think we've had a great example here of how you go about understanding what your LTV, understanding your cost of customer acquisition, balancing those off against each other. There is some math involved, but that's not the key thing. It's about understanding the underlying drivers, and I couldn't have said it any better than Dan just did. So, and you can and you should do it. It's not easy, but it was less than a year and a half ago, they didn't even know each other. And here they are now going through all the steps, understanding this, and forsaking other great opportunities that they have for something they believe deeply in. And why do they believe deeply in it? Because they've done the analysis here. And it's not perfect. There's some risk involved, but it's a rational decision at this point. So really what we're bringing here is rationality to make a decision. How much do you believe in it? And how much can you convince other people? So a long-winded way to say, math is good, do it.
But rationality meets belief, meets hard work, good things happen.
Bingo.
Gentlemen.
So, I think you've all are going to go through a course and have been through a course, and there's a lot of things you can learn here, but the best way to learn is also to do it, and we've learned tremendously since we've started doing it. So if all the research you've done makes sense and there's something you really care about or you think you can have an impact somewhere, just take a leap of faith, go out there and try it. Maybe it works, maybe it won't, but you'll learn way more than you would have ever imagined.
And I would echo the same, and kind of reflecting on the experiences that we've had, where we started this process again with not necessarily the intention of there's one business that is the business we're going to create and now we're going to do it, but really just trying it, finding problems, asking around, keeping your ears open for that kind of thing. And when you find a problem that you think is worth solving, apply the 24 steps, get the practice in doing it, and maybe it's an opportunity like the one we found, and you go for it.
On behalf of MIT, on behalf of our students, I want to thank you for coming down. I want to wish you good luck, and we're going to be rooting for you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for having us. And,
Guys, thank you so much.
Let's be in touch very
Good
soon.
luck.
It's been a pleasure.
Great job, guys.
Thank
You
you
make
much.
us so proud.
Take care.
Yeah.
Well done, Alessandro.
See you soon.
Those guys they're killing it.
Unbelievable.
Great guys, great analysis. Let's do, oh.